Hello students, कैसे हो आप सब? Today we are going to start a series of lectures which deals with the shortcuts for this IIT JEE exam. Let's get started. Before starting this question, here if a triangle ABC is given and in this if PQR are midpoints of sides of the triangle. Okay, so A, B and C, and this is P, this is Q and this is R. Then the shortcut trick here is A is equal to P plus R minus Q. Similarly, B is equal to P plus Q minus R and C is equal to R plus Q minus P. Okay, so using this trick we'll find these values. So here the triangle is given and in this here P, Q, R, these are the midpoints of the sides of ABC. So to find A, okay, then as you know that our formula is P plus R minus Q, that is P plus R. So 2, 1 plus 4, 5 minus 1 minus 3. So is equal to 2 plus 4 minus plus, right? Next 1 plus 5 minus plus. Okay. So here this is nothing but 7, 9. Similarly, B is equal to P plus Q minus R, that is minus 3, minus 7. And C is equal to R plus Q minus P, that is 1, 1. Clear? Next. Similar model. But here the question is not to find the sides but the orthocenter of this triangle. We need the orthocenter of this triangle. So here just like before we call this P, Q and R and we'll start to find ABC first. Okay, so as we know A is equal to P plus R minus Q, B is equal to P plus Q minus R. So this is ABC and this is P, Q, R. And C is equal to Q plus R minus P. Okay, from this I will get 0, 0. This one is 10, 0 and this is 0, 24. So triangle is one value. I got this as origin, that is triangle is right angle at 0, 0 because here this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate and one point is origin. So I can say the triangle is right angle at origin. So therefore orthocenter is nothing but origin itself. Okay, next. Here the next question is, here x coordinate, we have to find the x coordinate of the incenter and the midpoints of the sides, just like before problem only. This is given. Okay, so here a triangle is given. In this ABC is a triangle and P, one point P, that is 0, 1 is given. Another is Q, that is 1, 1 is given, and another is R, that is 1, 0 is given. So just like before problem, we know how to find A, that is nothing but P plus R minus Q. Okay, P, Q, R. Okay, so here I will get 0, 0. And similarly B, I will get 0, 2 and C I will get 2, 0. Okay, just like the previous problem. If you have doubt, just go through the second one. Okay, so here we have to find x coordinate of incenter. So here there is a formula like 2 root 2 into one coordinate, that is nothing but 0. So that is nothing but x1 plus 2 into again 0 plus 2 into 2. Here I am using this one and this one, since it is asked only for x, by 2 plus 2 plus 2 root 2. That is nothing but 2 by 2 plus root 2. In answer, if this is given, we can leave it like that. Otherwise, we have to rationalize. 2 minus root 2 by 2 minus root 2. That is nothing but 2 into 2 minus root 2 by a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So here this one and this one gets cancelled and I will get 2 minus root 2. Okay. Next. If the points, 3 points are given and said that they form an equilateral triangle. Okay, means all sides are equal. So here there is a direct shortcut. Formula is to find 3 points are given like x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given. If we need to find the third vertex, then our problem here is formula is x1 plus x2 plus or minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2, here it is minus or plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2. Okay, so we know x1, we know y1, x2, y2. We are just going to substitute in this. So that is nothing but 4 minus 4 plus or minus root 3 into minus 4 by 2, comma minus 4 plus 4 minus or plus root 3 into 4 plus 4 by 2. Okay, so here I got minus or plus 4 root 3, comma minus or plus 4 root 3. Okay. Okay, next one. Yeah, similarly, if 2 vertices are given, we have to find the third vertex. But it is given that it lies above x-axis and we need the equation of the circumcircle. Okay, circumcircle. So here again, similar story. We need to find, first we need to find the third vertex. So we need to find the third vertex. So minus a plus or minus root 3 0. Okay, by minus a plus a root 3 into third vertex. Since it is given, it lies above x-axis. Okay, by 2, comma 0 minus or plus root 3 into minus a by 2. So from this I can say that 0 plus or minus root 3a. In this question, I forgot to write these options here. It is given like 3x square plus 3y square minus 2 root 3 ay is equal to 3a square. Okay, I have noted down all the 4 options. This is a previous year question. This is a previous year JEE question. So just keep an eye on this. So we need to substitute this one in the place of x, this one in the place of y in all the equations, and whatever answer we will get, that one just tick it. Okay, so we are using the substitution method after we getting this third vertex. Next one. Here, this is a direct sum. Number of integral point exactly in the interior of the triangle. Okay, so here we need to find, for interior of the triangle, we got a small trick. Whenever the vertices like one origin 0 comma n means y coordinate n comma 0 is given, the number of integral point formula is n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 2. Okay, so here our n is this one 21. We can directly see that from this. So my required points is nothing but n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 2. So this is nothing but 20 into 19 by 2. That is 190. Okay. Same problem only this one. The number of points having integrals means we have to find the coordinates of the integers that lies in the integrals. So that is integral points. Here just like previous model, we got n value this one. So required points formula is n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 2. That is nothing but 40 into 39 by 2. 2 this is 20 times, so I get 780. 39 into 2 78 and 0. Okay, next one. Here we need to learn a small trick. Okay, if some point x1 y1 divides the line between x-axis and y-axis in some ratio m1 is to m2, then if we are asked to find the equation of that line, the formula is m2x by x1 plus m1y by y1 is equal to m1 plus m2. That's it. So here we already know this is x1, this is y1, this is m1 and this is m2. We are going to just substitute. We need to find the equation, right? So here 3x by 3 plus 2y by minus 4 is equal to 2 plus 3. That is nothing but 2x. Here it is x minus y by 2 is equal to 5. We are taking the LCM. 2x minus y is equal to 10. That's it. Okay, very easy, right? This is also previous year question. We are doing all the models that were once appeared, means once that were in these competitive exams like West Bengal set or this IIT JEE or EAPCET AP Andhra Pradesh and all these things. So next one. Here, if this point bisects the lines, okay, whenever the word bisect is given, just remember a short trick. Means just like previous model only, here one thing, the ratio m1 is to m2, we are taking it as 1 is to 1. This one is similar, x1 y1. Okay, so just like the previous problem, here x by 5 plus y by 2 is equal to 1 plus 1. Again we are taking LCM. 2x plus 5y is equal to 20. Got it? Next one. See, same model. Point is given. It is saying that the axis is bisected. Tell me, bisected means m1 is to m2 is equal to, we will take 1 is to 1. This is again x1 y1 is common. So this one into 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 plus 1. Again LCM. 4x plus 3y is equal to 2 into 12, 24. Over. How easy? Next one. If a line intercepted between coordinate axis is trisected, before problem that is bisected, here it is trisected. So I will take m1 m2, m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. Our point is same, x1 y1, that won't change, right? So 2x by 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 1 plus 2. Again LCM. Here this is x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 3. Now LCM. 3x plus 2y is equal to 3 into 6. That is nothing but 18. Okay. I am not writing the formula again and again because you need to by heart it. Means you need to keep it in mind. That is the reason I am not writing the formula again and again. If you need the formula, you can go back to 2-3 questions back and you will find it. Okay. Here again. See next the straight lines, this one where this point are concurrent. Okay. Whenever there is a small condition for concurrency is we have to make the constant term. Okay, we have to make the constant term in the given condition and the straight line equation same. Then we have to start comparing it. Okay. As per the question, here the line equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now here the question is The second equation is 3a plus 2b plus 4c equals to 0. I already told you that we have to make this constant term same. So what I am going to do is I will divide the entire equation with 4. Divide with 4. So 3 by 4a plus 2b by 4, that is nothing but b by 2, plus here this is nothing but c. Now we are starting comparing. So I'll get x value as 3 by 4 and y value as 1 by 2. That is the point. Okay. Next. Now here the straight line cuts the intercepts from coordinate axis. Okay. So the straight line cuts the intercepts. So I got the line equation as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Okay. So that I'll get that sum of whose reciprocals is 1 by p. So here 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 1 by p. I am pulling that p to the LHS so that it becomes, from denominator it will go to numerator, right? P by a plus p by b is equal to 1. Now this one and this one is same, right? Constant terms are same. So now we are start comparing this. So x value I will get as b and y value I will get as a. Okay. So x value p, okay, no, x value I will get p and y value also p. X value p, y value p. Next one. Here is the next one. Here a big equation is given and another line is given and passes through, means these two lines, this line then this line is given and it passes through some point. So here the shortcut trick is, first we have to make this into a perfect square model. So on seeing this, the first part of this question, like 16a square minus 40ab plus 25b square, I can see that this is nothing but 4a minus 5b whole square minus c square is equal to 0. Okay, this is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is equation 1. This one, from this I will get that this is nothing but a square minus b square model, right? So a plus b, equation number 2, and similarly from this I will get 4a plus 5b plus c minus c, a plus b into a minus b. So here I am taking minus as common, so I will get this, or okay, 4a plus 5b plus c is equal to 0. Anything is our wish, means a plus b into a minus b model. So now this one I will take it as equation number 3. Now we have to start comparing 1 and 2, also 1 and 3. So from that I will get, just like the previous model, I will get 4 comma minus 5 and this one minus 4 comma 5. Okay, next one. See, this model is very important. It came many times in these competitive exams like JEE. So without changing the direction of coordinate axis, to which point this origin should be transferred, so that this equation is changed to an in this where it contains no term of first degree. First degree means x. Okay, so here this is nothing but, there is a small thing, the answer here is nothing but alpha beta, that is nothing but center of the circle. Okay, see how big the question is and how small the trick is. So from this one I'll start comparing, means for the people who don't know the general equation of circle I'm writing that, otherwise you can do it directly. Ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so here 2g, in that place I got minus 4, so g is nothing but minus 2 and 2f is 6, f is equal to 3. So center of the circle alpha beta, that is nothing but minus g minus f is nothing but 2 comma minus 3. That's it. Okay. See, next one also same, but here one thing you have to keep in mind that to make the sum easy, anyway we can find the center of the circle even though the x square and y square coefficient is not 1, but anyway for just to make it easy without changing the direction of axis where this origin should be shifted, so that here no first degree terms is, I'll divide the entire equation with 3, so I'll get x square plus y square minus 2x plus 3y minus 8 by 3 is equal to 0. So from this center minus g is not center here minus g minus f, right, means alpha beta. So here g value is minus 1, f value is 3 by 2. So minus g minus f, so 1 comma minus 3 by 2. Okay, next. Yeah, here foot of the perpendicular from this point to this one. Okay, so foot of the perpendicular, actually there is a direct formula. Length of the foot of the perpendicular is mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square, means distance between the point and the foot of the perpendicular. But here we need the point itself. Okay, so for example, before learning this, just draw this p x1 y1 and q, this is h dash k dash. Okay, so this is nothing but a straight line, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, and this point is h comma k. Now to find the foot of the perpendicular of m and the reflection of p, means with respect to this line, this can be determined by two formulas, like h minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Means it's entirely dependent on this problem, means this question, this is both positives, right? So if something like one positive and one negative is given, then the formula, this is first model, this second model is h dash minus x1 by a, k dash minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Okay, so chalo, let's do this. Here 3 comma 4 is given, so I will go with this first model, means since both are positive, so h minus 3 by 3, k minus 4 by minus 4, minus of 9 minus 16 plus 5 by 9 plus 16. Okay, so this is this value is nothing but 16, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 minus 16 is minus 2, minus and minus, that is nothing but plus 2 by what, 16, right, 26, 25. So h minus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 25, and also k minus 4 by minus 4 is equal to 2 by 25. So h minus 3 is equal to 6 by 25. H is equal to, I am sending the 3 to other side and do this, 81 by 25. I will get 81 by 25. Similarly, k minus 4 is equal to minus 8 by 25. K is equal to 92 by 25. Means I am sending this one to this side. Okay, good. See, one positive, one negative. The line equation is given. Same second formula. So h dash minus x1 by a, k dash minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Okay, now let's substitute this. H dash minus 4 by 5 is equal to k dash plus 13 by 1 minus 2 into 20 minus 13 plus 6 by 25 plus 1. See, solve this. Minus 2 into 20 plus 6, 26. 26 minus 13 is again 13 by next 13 by 21. what 26. So this is nothing but I get minus 1 here. So h dash minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 1. K dash plus 13 by 1 is equal to minus 1. So h dash minus 4 equals to minus 5. K dash plus 13 is equal to minus 1. So h dash is nothing but minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. K dash is equal to minus 14. Okay, over. Next one. Here, this one is locus model. Okay, very nice. Locus model. So if the if we have to find the equation of the point from this points, I got the locus as this one. So for this one, just find the midpoint of these 2 points. So x is equal to a1 plus a2 by 2, y is equal to b1 plus b2 by 2. Now just put these values in the locus, means just put these values in the locus, means in the place of x, in the place of y. We will get c value as, means after solving, 1 by 2 into a2 square plus b2 square minus a1 square minus b1 square. Okay, means just put this value here, just a small substitution work, nothing more than that. Next one, again locus of centroid whose 1, 2, 3 points are given. Okay, for this kind of problems, just put some value, like means in the place of like theta or t or something, t equals to 0. So now our vertices, our load is reduced. So now our vertices became a comma 0, 0 comma minus b, and 1 comma 0. So we know the centroid formula: x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So x becomes a plus 1 by 3, y is minus b by 3. Now just substitute, nothing more than that. Just substitute x and y values in your options and you will get the answer. Okay, try to solve it. Next one, if again 1, 2 and 3 points are given and t varies, similarly just be like that before only, we have to put t value as 0. So our points becomes a is 1 0, b is 0 minus 1, because cos 0 1, sin 0 0, like that. B value, c value 1 comma 2. Okay, now centroid x is equal to 2 by 3, means x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y value 1 by 3, again y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Just use these formulas, means x value, y value, and put this in the question and you will get the answer. Okay, easy, right? Next one, again find the equation of the straight line passing through. Whenever you see the word passing through, instead of looking at the sum, first make sure that substitute this 4 comma 3 in this, and also it is given that the sum is minus 1, means sum of the intercept is minus 1. Okay, so just substitute this passing through point in this and you will get this answer, nothing more than just a simple substitution. That's it. Next one, again see what is the keyword here, passing through, and sum of intercept is minus 2. So again passing through, whenever you see the word passing through, just substitute in the options, that's it, and you will get the answer. Okay, next one, see these questions look too big, but this is are very important. Many a times it is asked in these previous year questions, you can check it. So if a line x is equal to y by, this is root 5, okay, y by root 5, and it meets the line x value 1, 2, so on up to k, and at points a1, a2, so on up to k, then we have to find OA1 square plus OA2 square plus so on up to OA. So let us take some k value as how much, 2. Okay, so here A1 becomes if x value is 1, y value is nothing but root 5. Again A2, that is nothing but, if x value is 2, this is nothing but 2 root 5. So OA1 square plus OA2 square is equal to 6 plus 24 is equal to 30. That's it. So just use this value of k in this 1, 2, 3, 4, and wherever you get the answer, just mark it. Okay. Next one. So we have done all the tricks of this straight lines topics. Okay. So the another important topic is points. That one also covered under this only. So we will get a series of lectures and we will cover almost all the topics, all the chapters, separate videos. So thank you.